What's good, guys? So today is Monday, and this is Monday morning, and this is brand new week, second week of November, and second week of me trading my growth funded trader. And remember, last week was break even. I took three trades, two were losers, where only one were winner. So that winner was 1:2, so that makes me to what break even last week. So for this week, I'm already in two trades, and there's a reason for that. So I believe if the two trades place well this week, that is going to be the only trade I'm going to be taking for this week, I guess. And if it's turned out to be another thing, I don't know. So that is for that, and I'm planning of taking only three trades. Even if that two trades were losers, I'm only going to take one more trade this week. That's it. So I'm risking only 3% of my account this week. So without further ado, let me just dive into the chart and show you what the trade looks like for now. Alright, so this is the trade on the Euro USD on the 1 hour time frame. I took this trade and I'm risking 1% on it, targeting 2%, that means 1:2. And another trade, but the same entry, but that setup is on 1 hour time frame. So the same setup, so I'm targeting 1:4. So I don't know, the trade is still behaving for now, so I don't know what the outcome of the trade is going to be, honestly. But regardless, I'm risking only 2% of my account, so that is for that. So if the two trade hits my stop loss, that means I'm going to lose 2% of my account. So that is going to be the worst case scenario. Or I'm going to hit the take profit. Regardless the outcome. It's okay by me. So let me just see you in the next clip with the update on the two trades. So I'm going to catch you up later. What's good, YouTube? So I just came back from work like a couple of minutes ago, and I told you in the morning that I'm in two trades. Unfortunately, one have hit the take profit, while the other is still running in drawdown. So let me just dive into the chart and show you what the trade looks like on the chart. Alright guys, so the trade is on Euro USD on the 1 hour time frame. So the trade tapped my take profit. I was lucky about that. So it hit the take profit before reversing back down. So that is on 1 hour time frame, and on the 4 hours time frame. So the trade is still running, but for now the trade is in drawdown. So I'm targeting 1:4. So on the trade, so I don't know, maybe the trade is going to hit the take profit, or maybe the trade is going to hit the stop loss. No matter the outcome, guys, I'm going to update you on that. So I'm still in this trade and it's still running in drawdown. So let's see how the trade goes. Whatever the outcome, I'm going to update you. So see ya. What's good, guys? So today is Wednesday, and this is Wednesday morning. So this is going to be a quick update on the trade I'm in since Monday. So I told you that I took two trades, and one have hit the take profit while the other is still running. Though the other is still running, so I'm in profit in the other trade, but the trade refers back. But I don't know what the outcome of the trade is going to be. I told you that nothing is certain in the market, so I really don't know what is going to be the outcome of the trade, but I've reduced my risk on that by half. The initial risk on the trade was 1%, but I've reduced it to 0.5%. So regardless, whatever happens on the trade, I'm going to lose 0.5%, and that's going to be my last trade for this week. That means with worst case scenarios, I'm going to close this week by 1.5 hour. So that is going to be the worst case scenario. So let me go to the chart and show you what the trade looks like. This is the trade on the Euro USD, and this is on the 4 hours time frame. So and I've reduced my risk by half, and this is where my risk is now. This at 1.1537. So that is where my risk at the moment, and I still have hope in this trade. Reason for that is that around here we have a fair value gap right around here. So hoping or anticipating the market can turn back from there, and since we have a break of structure around here, and we have that means we have this one right here as well, the other block, and we have a fair value gap here, which is on the 4 hours time frame. So that gives me hope on this trade that possibility is there that can still play out. But remember, nothing is certain in the market, so the trade can go down and go and eat my stop loss. Nothing is new in the market, and or it can go to what, or it can go to take profit. No matter the outcome, guys, I'm going to update you. Definitely I'm going to update you on it. So let me see you in the next clip with the updates. Today is Friday, and this is Friday morning, and this is going to be a quick update on the trade I took this week so far. I told you that I took 2 trades on Monday, and I think one it the take profit I think on Tuesday. So the second trade I had it till yesterday before I closed it yesterday. So this week was good, and this week better because I managed to close 5% for this week. So pray that next week is going to be better as well. So I managed to close for 5% on my account this week. So let me go to the chart and show you what the second trade looks like. Alright guys, so this is the trade, and the trade was on Euro USD and on 4 hours time frame. The trade plays out well, and I managed to close. I told you in the previous video that risk, and I'm going for 1:4, but unfortunately I can't hold it till yesterday because of the swap. The swap has been compounding, and it's affecting the profit, so I decided to close for 1:3.4, I guess, so, or 3.2, and the trade is still going, but I don't care. So that is for that. I managed to close for 1:3. So the Monday trade on the that one is 1:2, so I managed to close 1:2 on that. So, and on the 4 hours time frame, for this trade I managed to close for 1:3, and that is for that. So that is 5R for this week. This week is the best since January, I guess. The best week of my trading for this year. So this is what is going to happen next week. I'm still going to trade next week, but I'm only going to risk 3% of the account. So the maximum trade I'm going to take next week is going to be 3%. And for now, I've removed good from my watch list. So I'm only looking at Euro USD and USD JPY. So two pairs for now. I think that is going to do better. Maybe whatever what this month trading is going to be. Definitely, I'm going to update you. So for the last 2 weeks now, the last week, which is the first week of November, was break even, and for this week, I managed to close for 5% of my account, and I only took two trades this week since Monday, and I had one till yesterday before I decided to close it at 1:3. So that is for that, guys. I'm going to see you next week, and I pray that next week also is going to be better. So let me see you in the next clip, and that is going to be next week. So don't forget to subscribe, and I'm going to see you next week. Peace out.